up, guys? And I got a question the other day. I'd done a walk around on the bike, and Skaggy Cruiser asked me if I got a lot of buffeting from my windshield. To be honest, this is the first bike I've ever ridden with a windshield on it. Years ago, all the bikes I rode, just little bikes, didn't have windscreens on them. So I was used to just the air pounding me anyway. I didn't do a lot of long riding because it was mostly on borrowed bikes, I didn't have my own except for a very short period of time. So to be honest, I don't know how much buffeting I get. I'm gonna, when it warms up a little bit, pull the windscreen off and ride around with it for a while, see how I like that. And maybe then I'll have an idea about the buffeting issue. I do know that when there's a heavy crosswind, it tugs on my handlebars. And that's just because there's this big piece of plastic up on the front of it. I like the windshield for keeping bugs off my chest, but basically when they come over the top of it, they hit me square between the eyes. And it's even raised up a lot off the headlight. I've had it much lower, and I think at that point in time I was probably getting a little buffeting, a little moving my helmet around, and I'm assuming that's what y'all mean by buffeting. The only buffeting I've ever really noticed was on the road when a large car passes me, semi or one of those fucking station wagons in front of me right now. Sorry, I hate those things. That's a whole different topic. But yeah, that shifts the bike around a lot. But I really don't notice my helmet getting knocked around a bunch while I'm riding, and hope that makes a little bit of sense to somebody out there, because it only makes a little bit of sense to me. I don't think I'd want a bigger windshield on this bike. I'm pretty pleased with, this bug ramp. Something smaller might be cool, just to shift the wind up a little bit. But the real big ones they have out there, that come out to like here and sit about that high, no, I don't like those. I think that would create some funky stuff when you're going faster. It seems to me like it would. I mean, it's a big old air dam, but no, I don't think I get a lot of buffeting from it. Talking that out a little bit, no, I don't think it gives me a bunch of buffeting. So Skaggy, to answer your question, no, I don't think there's a bunch of buffeting off this windshield. It's small enough to do a little bit of good, but not so big that it transfers vast amounts of wind to my forehead or the top of my helmet. And I don't wear the real high-tech helmets either. Right now I got a Bell Custom 500 with a bubble shield on it, which I'd probably be fine without the screen, just wearing this. My girlfriend says I look like a spaceman with my bubble shield on. But to me, that's what I grew up around. That's what a helmet looks like. You put a bubble shield on it. Only inconvenient part is you can't lift it up to talk to people, but I don't normally talk to people anyway, so it's all good for me. So yeah, buffeting. Hope that helps. Help me to talk about it. Like it usually does. Anyway, y'all have fun. Talk to you later. Bye.